Hello folks, welcome back to the channel. So I am back in the workshop and I'm recording this intro after the fact, purely because the original intro I recorded is corrupt on the PC. So we will be dropping back into my tour around the Cotswolds with another hipster, and if you haven't checked out his channel, please do so, it's well worth it. But yeah, we'll be dropping back into that, but first of all I want to say thank you very much to all of you that have clicked the subscribe button. Last time I checked, we were up to 417 subscribers, which is just astonishing. And you probably have just watched or recently watched my video from Motorcycle Live on the new BSA Gold Star. That's going to be an interesting machine. It seems to be making quite a splash, so there will be more on that without a doubt. And I've got some other footage from other things that were at that show, but we'll get to that. But for now, let's jump into the video and yeah, enjoy this tour around the Cotswolds. So yeah, we're just about to set off quite nicely. We're down on Awkward Hill, which another hipster has just educated me on. So we're going to head out. He's planned most of the route. He has told me, I have already forgotten, but well, yeah, I'm sure there'll be plenty to see. I know we're going to see Broadway Tower, a few other things, Castle and some other stuff, but yeah. We've just come down here. It was quite interesting. There is a lot of tourists. Some beautiful little houses though, beautiful. And there's quite a number of leaves on this hill, so hopefully the high now K60s do the job. A very leafy road. She was very excited about motorcycles then. That's what we like to see. The youth enjoying a motorcycle. So yeah, we'll make our way out of here. I'm certainly going to have to come back in the summer. Emily would love it here. A truly fantastic road. Gotta say, I'm really impressed with that BMW. It's odd how you can perceive, but the sheer torque of it, like I can see that another hipster isn't, you know, working the gearbox all that much. It's just into each corner, power it out, and that bike just takes off, but like linear and smooth, and looks incredible. Absolutely brilliant. Yeah, it's great to finally see him again as well. We're it's odd because very different channels, but also very similar in some ways. In case you don't know, another hipster, you need to check out his channel. He does a lot of motor vlogs. He's travelling to different kind of picturesque towns and stuff with voiceovers. He also does quite like, a few byways and green lanes and that sort of thing. So we're now down into the lovely little village town of Burford. Now I have been here before, but it was a hell of a long time ago, so yeah. Remarkable buildings down this way. Just a different way of living. Truly stunning. lovely. Very nice. Just breathtaking. Sorry, I'm not really talking the way through this little trip down this high street, but I'm just taken away by how stunning all the buildings are. A real affinity with traditional architecture, and just sorry it's a bit noisy out here, guys, but I am now out in the thick of the Cotswold countryside, and it is absolutely beautiful. But I've also just noticed, and I don't know if we can see them there, you might not be able to make it out because of angle of projection of light, but the glider school are out training today. They're back there. I think they're about to land actually. Stringle Track Road, that's it. We got down there. Here comes some stunning views. We're just heading towards Bourton-On-The-Water now, which is a very, very popular destination. So we're going to try our very best not to be samey today, but we are going to some pretty picturesque, beautiful little villages and towns. We're heading down to Bourton-On-The-Water at the moment, which winds down into this little bit of a valley here. But it's truly, truly epic roads. And we're also going to be dropping off, we are going to go to Broadway Tower, as I mentioned earlier, and we're going to be going to a place called KOTI, and I can't remember, AUTOTALLI or Automobilia, something like that. Obviously that will now be written on the screen, and I will look really daft for not remembering how to pronounce it or what it is, but basically it's a really cool little motorcycle themed cafe. We get, you know, coffee, tea, nice piece of cake, all those sorts of things, you know, the best things in life. But yeah, so we're gonna be heading there, just check it out. And then I think ultimately we're going to end up in Stratford-upon-Avon, which is a mighty fine motorcycle town. Just, yeah, the very best people on motorcycles I often find in Stratford, down by the waterfront. Here we are, Bourton-On-The-Water. It's really cool, you get little bridges to get to your house because the water course that runs here. It'd be interesting to know, you have to look after your own bridge. How would we know? As I alluded to in my previous video as well, obviously I am very ill prepared. Didn't bring the GoPro stick, and I only put my thermal base layer on top, not on bottom. I've got a single ply lower part of these Kevlar jeans, and I'm wearing my summer gloves. Didn't put my winter gloves in, so I am particularly chilly now. And then another hipster's there in his textile jacket with his new Gore-Tex trousers, and he just keeps pointing out to me how he is toasty. It's really helpful, really helpful to my situation. Thanks, mate. So I'm going to say we can't recommend this enough. Steak pie, hot chocolate, and a very nice brew.
It was brilliant. I definitely think we'll come back there again.
The Chestnut Tree at Bourton-On-The-Water. So there we are, folks. We've had a lovely, lovely little stop for a hot chocolate, and my good hipster friend occupied himself with a nice cup of tea, and we both had an incredible steak pie from the Chestnut Tree tea rooms. Can't say that very quickly. Which is just opposite the water at Bourton-On-The-Water. Fantastic. You just can't beat a good English tea room, that's for sure. So there it is, for anybody that's interested. A truly beautiful place. Now we're going to make our way up to Broadway via a castle of sorts. Not quite sure where that is, but it's not far from here. Everything is a little bit of a short hop, so should be nice and nice little run.